Inside a modern chicken megafactory, the journey begins long before a chick is seen. It starts with fertile eggs, collected from carefully managed breeder farms and transported to the hatchery in climate-controlled trucks. These eggs are not handled like ordinary food products. Each one contains developing life, so temperature, humidity, and movement must be controlled from the very beginning. When the eggs arrive at the hatchery, automation takes over. Robotic forklifts, conveyor belts, and barcode scanners move the eggs into the receiving area. Every batch is tracked digitally, recording where the eggs came from, when they were collected, and where they will go next. In a factory this large, traceability is essential. The eggs then move through an automated inspection line. High-speed cameras, sensors, and candling machines check for cracks, dirt, abnormal shapes, and poor shell quality. Suitable eggs continue forward, while rejected eggs are diverted automatically. The best eggs are placed into setter trays by robotic loading systems, then transferred into a controlled storage room before incubation begins. Inside the incubation room, giant industrial incubators recreate the perfect conditions of a mother hen, but at massive scale. Temperature, humidity, airflow, carbon dioxide, and egg turning are all controlled by computer systems. The trays gently tilt at regular intervals, helping the embryos develop properly. Sensors monitor every change, while control panels track each batch in real time. As the embryos grow, automated candling systems check development inside the eggs. Infertile or non-developing eggs are removed, improving hygiene and hatch performance. Advanced monitoring systems also track shell temperature because the embryo itself produces heat as it grows. The goal is not just to hatch chicks, but to hatch strong, healthy, uniform chicks. Near the final stage, the eggs are transferred from setter trays into hatcher baskets. Some factories use in-ovo vaccination machines, injecting vaccines into the egg with precise automated needles before hatch. Then the eggs enter the hatcher, where humidity and airflow are adjusted for the final moment. The chicks begin to pip, cracking the shell with their beaks until they finally emerge. Once hatched, the chicks move through automated separation systems that remove shells and hatch debris. Gentle conveyors carry them through inspection, counting, vaccination, and boxing. They are then loaded into climate-controlled vehicles and transported to the broiler farm. Before the chicks arrive, the broiler house has already been cleaned, disinfected, preheated, and prepared. Automated feeders are filled. Water lines are flushed. Fresh litter is spread across the floor. Sensors confirm that the temperature, humidity, ventilation, and lighting are correct. When the chicks are placed inside, they immediately begin eating, drinking, and spreading across the warm floor. From this point, the entire growing process is controlled by automation. Feed comes from large silos through auger systems. Water is delivered through nipple drinker lines. Fans, air inlets, heaters, cooling pads, and LED lights adjust automatically as the birds grow. Every day, the system records feed intake, water consumption, bird weight, temperature, humidity, air quality, and flock activity. Cameras and sensors help detect changes early. If water use drops, if birds crowd in one area, or if the air quality changes, the system alerts managers immediately. From egg incubation to broiler growth, this is a fully connected production chain. Every stage affects the next. Good egg handling supports strong hatchability. Strong chick quality supports healthy growth. And precise automation helps produce uniform broiler chickens at massive scale. This is not traditional farming. This is modern poultry production, where biology, robotics, engineering, and data work together to feed millions of people.